You might be a religious scientist if you think there is a creative power that exists in this universe. A creative power that actually created the universe itself. That before there was life, before there was form and matter and time and space, there was something that had to create that. And what is that thing? Well, it certainly has a creative nature. And that is our third core principle, creative nature. And this says that thought created. There was thought. Thought had to exist prior to form and life. And so form follows thought. The creative nature of life itself is that form follows thought. That there was this thing before there was anything. And we don't actually have great language for this, because what is the thing before there was anything? The thing, implying it is a thing itself, but it actually, whatever it is, exists within but also beyond time and space. It was that thing that existed before there was any form, any space, any time. And it was conscious. It had a thought that then led to the creation of everything that we know. And so the nature of life itself is creative. The nature of this force, this power that is creative, is the creative nature that exists within all of life. So we also, being of this, have this same creative nature. That life around us exists because and by our thought. How we think is how life shows up. At whatever level you want to look at that, life shows up based on how we think about it. We have a thought and life shows up that way. We live and exist within the creative nature of the universe. The same creative nature that caused all of the universe, the creation of the universe, to come into form. And so just like in every other way, we are the microcosm of the macrocosm. We are the reflection of life itself. That we actually exist in the likeness and in the image of this creator. And so this creative nature moves through us and flows through us whether we recognize it or not, when we are aware of it or not. In every moment, our thoughts themselves are creative. We believe something's going to happen and it happens, or even deeper, to the extent that the thought process, the process of thinking, actually involves moving matter. There is electrical currents that move every time we have a thought, and these thoughts, these electrical currents, are not in a vacuum. They are existing in this time and space, and so there necessarily must be an effect of every single thought. That every single electromagnetic pulse in our brain leads to some sort of effect in the physical world around us. It has to. We are creating with our thoughts in every moment.